What happens if you treat a cold with regular cough syrups? I'm a doctor, and I've lived with type 1 diabetes for over 25 years. Most cough syrups contain sugar, a lot of sugar. Some syrups raise blood sugar more than dessert. When you're sick, your blood sugar is already harder to control, and these syrups push it even higher. That's why some people see unexplained sugar spikes during a cold. It's not the infection, it's the medicine. Always check labels for sugar or choose sugar-free options. Follow my channel for real diabetes science from a doctor who lives with the disease. Stay informed and stay healthy.